Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. You've likely tried a few kinds of fried chicken, but have you experienced the unique taste of Taiwanese fried chicken? It's much more than just a snack. It's a staple of Taiwanese street food culture, known for its incredible crispiness and distinctive flavors. This isn't just another fried chicken. It's an iconic part of Taiwan's culinary scene. Unlike other fried chicken dishes, Taiwanese versions often feature a delicate, almost flaky crust seasoned with a unique 5-spice powder. This gives it a fragrant aroma and a savory, slightly sweet taste that many people find addictive. You'll find it everywhere, from bustling night markets to small neighborhood stalls, always served hot and fresh. The history and evolution of Taiwanese fried chicken. Taiwanese fried chicken, or ji-pei, began as a simple street food, but its story is richer than you might think. It reflects Taiwan's culinary history, adapting traditional flavors into an accessible, delicious snack. This journey transformed it from local favorite into a globally recognized dish. From night markets to global phenomenon. Explore how Taiwanese fried chicken became a staple in night markets and expanded its reach internationally. Taiwan's bustling night markets are where ji-pei truly came to life. These vibrant hubs of food and culture offered the perfect setting for its rise. Vendors, often using family recipes, perfected the frying technique and unique spice blends. As a result, it quickly became a signature item, drawing long lines of eager customers. What made it so appealing? Accessibility. It was an affordable and quick meal or snack. Flavor. The blend of 5-spice powder and other seasonings created a taste unlike other fried chicken. Novelty. Its preparation, often in open-air stalls, added to the experience. From these humble beginnings, ji-pei began its global journey. Taiwanese immigrants and entrepreneurs introduced it to new countries. Cities with large Asian communities, like parts of North America and Southeast Asia, saw the first international stalls open. These outposts often kept the traditional flavors, even as they adapted to local tastes. Today, you can find Taiwanese fried chicken chains and independent shops in major cities worldwide. It's no longer just a night market treat. It's a versatile dish enjoyed in various settings. This widespread appeal shows how a single, well-made dish can capture hearts beyond its origin. It proves that good food truly knows no borders. Key characteristics and ingredients of authentic Taiwanese fried chicken. Taiwanese fried chicken stands apart from other fried chicken varieties because of its unique preparation. It's not just about frying chicken. It's about combining specific ingredients and techniques. These elements create the distinct flavor and texture that makes ji-pei so addictive. The signature marinade, 5-spice powder and beyond. The heart of Taiwanese fried chicken's flavor lies in its marinade. This savory blend infuses the chicken pieces, typically flattened chicken breasts, with a complex taste before frying. The foundation of this marinade is usually a few key ingredients. Consider these common components. 5-spice powder. This iconic blend includes star anise, cloves, Chinese cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorns and fennel seeds. It gives the chicken its characteristic aromatic and slightly sweet profile. Soy sauce adds a salty, savory depth, helping to tenderize the chicken and carry the flavors. Rice wine or shaoxing wine, used for its distinctive aroma and ability to remove any strong smells from the chicken. It also contributes to the tender texture. Garlic and ginger. Freshly minced garlic and grated ginger are often included for their pungent, aromatic notes. Sugar. A touch of sugar helps balance the savory flavors and promotes browning during frying. This careful mix ensures every bite is full of delicious, well-rounded flavor. Crispy coating. Sweet potato starch is magic. What gives Taiwanese fried chicken its unmistakably crispy exterior? The secret lies in the coating. Unlike many other fried chicken recipes that use wheat flour, Ji-pei relies on sweet potato starch. This choice is crucial for the desired texture. Sweet potato starch behaves differently from wheat flour. It creates a lighter, airier crust that shatters beautifully with each bite. It absorbs less oil, resulting in a less greasy finish. The texture is crisp and bubbly, rather than dense or bread-like. The chicken is first marinated, then often dipped in a light egg wash or water, and finally generously coated in sweet potato starch. This simple step transforms the chicken into its iconic crunchy form. Essential toppings and seasonings. Once fried to golden perfection, Taiwanese fried chicken gets its final flavor boost from a sprinkle of seasonings and fresh herbs. These additions are what most people remember as crucial to the experience. They brighten the overall taste and add another layer of aroma. Common finishing touches include white pepper, a staple seasoning that offers a subtle, earthy heat. It's often sprinkled liberally. Chili powder. For those who enjoy a kick, a dash of chili powder adds pleasant spiciness. You can usually choose how much to add. Fresh basil leaves. Often, a handful of fresh basil leaves are quickly fried until crisp and then scattered over the hot chicken. Their aromatic, slightly peppery flavor is a signature element that makes Taiwanese fried chicken stand out and adds an extra sensory dimension. These simple additions complete the Ji-pei experience, turning a crispy piece of chicken into a symphony of flavors and textures. Popular Taiwanese fried chicken variations. Taiwanese fried chicken isn't just one type of dish. It comes in several popular forms. Each offers a slightly different experience, from large, satisfying cutlets to small, addictive bites. Let's look at the most common variations you'll find throughout Taiwan and beyond. Large fried chicken cutlet, Ji-pei. The Ji-pei is arguably the most famous version of Taiwanese fried chicken. Imagine a chicken breast, pounded flat until it's much larger than your hand. This large, flattened cutlet is then marinated in a blend of spices, coated generously in sweet potato starch, and deep-fried until it's golden brown and incredibly crisp. Vendors usually serve it whole, often in a paper bag. You might see steam escaping as you tear into its crunchy exterior. The inside remains juicy, contrasting perfectly with the shatteringly crisp coating. It's a full meal on its own, perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying street-side dinner. Popcorn chicken, yen suji. If Ji-pei is the king, then yen suji, or popcorn chicken, is the popular prince. This version features bite-sized pieces of boneless chicken, marinated and fried until super crispy. What makes yen suji special is its portability and the variety of ingredients often fried alongside it. It's usually served in a paper cup or bag, making it easy to snack on while walking. Many vendors also fry fresh basil leaves with the chicken. These crispy basil bits add a unique, aromatic flavor that sets yen suji apart. You might also find other fried items mixed in, like fried fish cakes, tofu, mushrooms, sweet potato fries. It becomes a custom mix of crispy delights. Fried chicken drumsticks and wings. While Ji-pei and yen suji get most of the attention, you can also find traditional fried chicken drumsticks and wings in Taiwan. These are prepared similarly, often with the same flavorful marinades and sweet potato starch coating. They offer a more familiar fried chicken experience but with that unmistakable Taiwanese twist. The bone and cuts mean the meat stays exceptionally juicy, while the coating provides that signature crispiness. They're a great choice if you prefer a classic cut with the unique spices of Taiwan. From the seasoning to that unforgettable crunch, Taiwanese fried chicken is more than just a snack, it's a cultural staple. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.